Arcosa is an infrastructure manufacturing company. We were separated from Trinity, which is another large industrial manufacturer, in November of 2018. That meant we had to stand up all our primary systems of record and have them up and running for day one. Everything IT-wise had to be stood up in basically a little less than 9 months. One of the key strategic decisions we took was to go to a managed services relationship with NTT DATA. One of the things we benefit from and enjoy is, in fact, their depth of understanding of our industry. We are a manufacturer, and there are unique attributes that basically begins to inform how do you craft a solution and effectively deploy it in the environment. All told, we analyzed about 350 applications. Of those, a little over 90 were migrated and stood up for day one. There were 495 interfaces that had to be rebuilt and replicated, 30 key databases that related to these systems of record with a little over 30 terabytes in those. We had 360 file shares and home folders that had to be identified. So it really placed a lot of pressure on the team to get these things migrated. One of the unique opportunities we had with this separation was to essentially refresh and modernize a whole array of underlying infrastructure capabilities. For instance, one of the decisions was to adopt hybrid cloud versus on-premise servers, which made it much easier to turn up workloads on demand. We really increased the performance and efficiency of that underlying IT layer in this transition. So that was sort of a hidden bonus. On the day of the cutover, we kept waiting for calls, tickets, and it was substantially silent, which really pointed to the skill and effectiveness of the NTT DATA team, since they were the ones that were forklifting these assets over into their environment and pulling that off well. Obviously, NTT DATA is now a trusted partner, and given their depth of expertise, they're typically one of our first go-tos when we're looking for resources to undertake a project.